Well, I had this bright idea that I would put the throttle body into my little vat here to clean it. But then I saw a big note, thankfully, says do not clean inside throttle body or just hard stop screw. Special coating on throttle body or throttle plate and bore. So I guess I won't be soaking this puppy. But what I did, I took the throttle valves or plates, whatever you want to call them, out. And those puppies are going to go into the dunk vat here, which is the old gunk parts cleaner. So I'll get these soaked, get them cleaned up. So I can't imagine any coating on those that's going to affect anything in life. It says don't clean on the inside. Well, probably not the best sunlight here. I'm gonna have to do a light cleaning. It's pretty grody. I think maybe just a Scotch Brite and a little bit of ammonia. That shouldn't hurt. That shouldn't hurt any coating. If it does, I can't imagine why ammonia would hurt it and not the gas. Well, not gas, but not the airflow and everything else is going through. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still going to clean it up a little bit. Just won't scrub hard. Nice of Ford. Put a little identification there for 7.5. And the other thing is I've been working on this engine, almost everything has the part number listed, either stamped into the metal or a sticker. Of course, stickers don't last, but it's kind of interesting that they went to that length to identify everything, make it easy to order parts. That's helped me a lot, because I can get the part number off of whatever it is, go look it up online, find out what it is, what it does, and decide whether I need to get another one. So that's helpful. Okay, it's been a day. Let's see what these things look like. Hopefully there's a difference. No, I think there's going to be some scrubbing going on. It's a little bit better. Yeah, just gotta give them a little scrub up. The heavy deposits are gone. Lighting, of course, is always an issue here. So, yeah, definitely better. I think the edge will seal inside the throttle body a lot better. There's no buildup anymore. All right, let us scrub those up a little bit and we'll get them back in.